Welcome, dear viewers. Today we are at the Artmash plant and we would like to show you our cooler. More precisely, a cooling complex with a capacity of 1 ton of pellets per hour. We will divide today's discussion into two parts. First, I will talk about the mechanical section and then about the electrical section. Also, a bit of history. Our cooling complex has been modernized many times. We have been manufacturing it for a long time and it has proven itself in the best possible way. It is capable of cooling and sieving 1 ton of pellets of any type, whether it is starter feed or fuel pellets, 6 millimeters, 8 millimeters. In any weather, the complex provides cooling and sieving so that only high-quality, dust-free pellets reach poultry houses or are sold. Mechanical section. The complex consists of a stainless steel cooling column guaranteeing durability, a rotary airlock, capacitive load cells, a ventilation fan with an adjustable damper. The damper allows adjustment of the airflow. For 2 millimeter feed pellets, it can be partially closed so that pellets are not blown upward. For fuel pellets with a diameter of 3 to 6 millimeters, it is fully open to ensure better cooling. Next comes the bucket elevator for feeding. A cyclone is always included to filter the dust. After that, the cooling column discharges the pellets onto the bucket conveyor, which delivers them to the new drum-type screener. The screener operates silently, is designed for capacities up to 4 tons per hour. Can be supplied both for a 1 ton per hour column and for a 2 ton per hour column. Has adjustable inclination angle, is equipped with an internal brush to clean the mesh, has a screw conveyor for dust removal. Additionally, a flexible screw can be connected to return the dust to the pelletizer, making the process fully automated and waste-free. The control cabinet already includes a starter, thermal relay, and a button for the flexible screw. The gear motors are maintenance-free, filled with synthetic oil. The housing bearings on the elevator and screener require servicing once every 100 hours with standard lithium grease. Electrical section. The OKPG-1000 cooling complex is equipped with a control cabinet. It includes emergency stop, power indication modes, automatic, test and manual, starters and thermal relays for each motor, quick disconnect connectors for convenient connection, wiring diagram inside the cabinet. Phase sequence check is simple. In test mode, any motor, for example the conveyor, is started. If the rotation is correct, you switch to automatic mode and the entire system runs properly. Additionally, if the feed elevator is not switched on, starting other mechanisms will trigger an alarm. If the capacitive sensor does not work, there is a backup sensor with repeated signaling. Operating process. The feed elevator is switched on. The alarm turns off. When the column is filled with pellets, the sensor automatically starts the screener and conveyor. In manual mode, you can completely unload the remaining feed or pellets so the cooler is clean. Extra features. The control cabinet has outputs for an additional elevator, conveyor, or flexible screw. The flexible screw operates in cycles, 1 minute of work, 4 minutes of pause. This ensures the automatic return of dust into the pelletizing process. Conclusion. Dear viewers, now let's see how this cooling complex works in practice and what high-quality pellets we obtain after sieving. We are starting the complex and we thank you for your attention.
De exemplu, transportorul. Dacă rotația este corectă, se trece în modul automat, iar întregul sistem funcționează corect. Suplimentar, dacă elevatorul de alimentare nu este pornit, la pornirea altor mecanisme se activează alarma. În caz de nefuncționare a senzorului de indicare a volumului din bunker, există un senzor de rezervă cu alarmă secundară. Procesul de lucru, elevatorul de alimentare pornește. Alarma se dezactivează. Când coloana se umple cu granule sau peleți, senzorul pornește automat cernătorul și transportorul. În modul manual se pot descărca complet resturile de furaj sau pelete, astfel încât racitorul să fie curat. Opțiuni suplimentare. În tabloul de comandă există ieșiri pentru un elevator suplimentar, transportor sau șnec flexibil. Șnecul flexibil funcționează în ciclu, 1 minut de lucru, 4 minute pauză. Aceasta asigură revenirea automată a prafului în procesul de granulare. Stimați spectatori, Acum haideți să vedem cum funcționează acest complex de răcire în realitate și ce produse de calitate obținem după cernere. Pornim complexul și vă mulțumim pentru atenție!